Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be looking at a K5LA versus a K5LLA. So on a K5LLA, you've got bells 1L, 1, 2, 3A, and 4A. On a K5LA, you have bells 1, 2, 3A, 4A, and 5. Now the only difference between these two horns is a 1L bell. So if you had a K5LA and you were, say you picked up a 1L bell, all you need to do is swap the number 5 on the horn with the 1L. If you do that, you turn into a K5LLA. So that's the only difference between the two. Big sound difference though. So that 1L bell, it makes a big difference in sound. So it's a lot of a more deeper tone. The K5LA is more of a higher pitch tone. They both sound great and they're both about the same loudness. Some people say K5LLA is a little louder. I think they're about the same. It's a little deeper, so it may carry a little further, but as far as loudness, say they're about the same. Both of these horns are raised letter horns. This is a 2021 year model, and this is too. They're both, I think this one's a 130K tag, and this is a 131. So both raised letter horns, both brand new. So here's the K5LA and K5LLA battle.